La Rakhe yaka World Rabies Day Arhajar Arpusau nyan kasngi hanong ba Shillong halor kapang breaking rabies boundaries. Kajing Rakhe yaka ni kasngi kalong kabadon kam ha kabaladon arpunyaw ngut kibla klat nakani gajing pang ha Meghalaya hakini ki artsnem. Habakren hakani kasngi UMD jongka NHM Uram Kumar S ulaong bakiladon palat khandai pawajar teli ki jingjia sha dat ksau ha kajilla hakashisnem baladeb. Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba AL Hek ulaong bakatenat kan shimkhia banyale persha ya kane ke jingma bat pentikna banrat dingkong ya kane ke jingpang ha kajilla.
We culminate this program and the theme for this then apply any antiseptic.
Under MHIS, Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme, dog bite is one of the top most used packages in the entire state. The data came in 2021 itself, which showed us that how serious the matter is actually. We thought it was actually not being utilized, something else was being utilized under the name of dog bites, but when we actually looked into it, dog bite was a very serious issue.
Are entirely preventable. Vaccinations and timely medical intervention can save life. Unfortunately, one of the biggest challenges in rabies control is the under-reporting of cases, which hamper the efforts of the mobilized resources across the department to control the disease in animals and prevent the human fatalities.
Deputy CEM